what's up? It's Sabri and welcome back. Today's video is very exciting. This is a Nykaa haul. And here is the package. We'll try out all these things and I'm going to rate them from 1 to 10. Let's get started. I am finally able to open my box. Here are all the products. This is the bill. We don't need that. Let's begin. I don't remember anything that I've gotten. This is the first product. I'm gonna open it and see myself what it was. Oh shit. Okay. This is the Nivea Natural Glow Deo, which is literally my favorite. This is my second one, I think. I definitely tried the Pearl and Beauty one, but I didn't like it as much because this one smells much better and lasts much longer. Lovely. So I would give this a 9 on 10. Okay, the next product I have is the Mars BB Cream under the shade 01 Fair. So let us open this. So this is the packaging. My skin. This is what the tone is. Definitely not my skin tone, but full disclosure, I got this for my mom and this is definitely my mom's skin tone. So I'll just be commenting on its texture and how it feels on the skin. Oh, as you guys can see over here, it doesn't blend that easily. And I think it feels very heavy on the skin as well. I don't like the texture and the consistency of this. I think I would give it like a 6 on 10. Okay, we're gonna open the next package now. Oh my god, there's so many things wrapped in one. Okay, we're gonna open them one by one. Okay, so this is the Fit Me foundation. It is in the tone 30. This is actually my second concealer bottle. I've almost used up the first one. This is exactly in my skin tone and it works perfectly well. Like, I absolutely love it. I would definitely recommend this to someone who is a beginner in makeup, because I am a beginner. I've just started experimenting with a lot of products and this one has done really well in my opinion. So I would definitely give this like a 9 on 10. Okay, so I'm very excited for this product. This is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil, which is a hair serum. I did not expect this to come in a glass bottle. This is you can use this before shampoo as a pre-wash treatment. You can use it before drying, before styling, as a finishing touch, as well as an overnight treatment. Oh, it has a very light smell. I like it though. I just apply it on my hair like this. So it's actually definitely much lighter than the Streaks gloss, because whenever I used to apply that gloss after my hair dried, it used to make my hair look a bit oily. So I always had to apply it when it was damp. But I can easily use this when my hair is dry and it's not making it look oily at all. In fact, it's making it really soft and it's making my hair smell really good. Actually, I like this a lot. I'm gonna give this a 10 on 10. Definitely as of now. I really like it. That's a glass. I like it. Okay, this is our next product. It's quite basic. I've not gotten any fancy lip balm. It's just a simple Nivea Original Care lip balm. So this is what it looks like. It's quite nice. It doesn't smell like anything at all. This is how much product is in it. I'm going to apply it to see. Oh, it's very soft. Doesn't smell like anything, but it's very soft and I'm pretty sure it's very hydrating. I have used this one before and it's very nice. It's just that I don't think this one has any SPF in it, and yeah, it doesn't have any SPF in it, and SPF is very important. Plus there's no tint. So I think it's a pretty basic lip balm. It retails for very cheap as well. I think I'll give this like a 7 on 10. It's quite okay. Okay, this is the next product. So I am a big fan of lip products. I have a lot of them, and especially when it comes to lipsticks or glosses, the one issue I've always had is that I've never been able to line my lips. I have like one lip liner, but that is of one color, so it doesn't match all of my lip shades, which is why I got this entire pack of lip liners from Mars. And this is in the nuder part of it. It's a nuder shade. These are what they're like. There are 10 different shades. So I'm gonna give you a review on this one. This is Edge of Desire number 13. Oh my god. Okay, the pigment is so strong and it's so smooth. I used to use a Miss Claire one and it was very difficult to glide it on my lip. But this one has so much pigment in it and it's so easy to glide on my skin as well. So I love it. This one is called Cinnamon Roll and the color is also beautiful. I'm pretty sure all these colors are going to be amazing and I can't wait to try so many different kinds of lip combos with these. Although I will give it like a 9 on 10 because I feel like it should have come with a sharpener since I got an entire packet of so many. I think if they could have given a sharpener with it, it would have been better. But otherwise, I think it's great. You know what? I'm changing that to a 9.5. I'm only cutting 0.5 because otherwise these lip liners are so affordable and amazingly pigmented and soft. Okay, this is a very cool one. This is a new product. This is the Rene Cover Up. It is a hair powder basically when you have really less hair some places or like when there are bald spots. This apparently helps cover up. I thought this product was really cool and I would definitely want to see how it does the work. So I have chosen the one that is dark gray. There are two options, dark gray and brown. So I have chosen dark gray. Let's see what it's like. A very cute packaging. I like this. This is a little thing where you put your finger in to tap. So you basically open it like this and there's a little mirror. There's the product here and below you open and you get this little thing. Okay. So the product is on. Oh, okay. Definitely has pigment because there's not much product here. But when I applied it, it literally made like a big black spot on my hand. I would definitely give this a 10 on 10 because I don't see any issue with it. It does the job. It has a very cute packaging. It's quite sturdy and quite reasonable as well. The price is not bad. The Garnier Micellar Water. This is literally my holy grail. I'm not joking because ever since I started applying makeup, in the beginning I didn't know like how I'm supposed to like clean it. And I used to just directly wash my face and it used to cause a lot of pimples on my face. And then I realized I need to double cleanse. But now I triple cleanse. So I start off with micellar water and I take out everything on my face. And then I apply cleansing butter sometimes when I have like waterproof things on my eye. And then I wash my face with a face cleanser. This is actually my second bottle and I can live by this. I love Garnier's micellar water. It literally does the same job as the Bioderma one and it's much cheaper. I would give this a 10 on 10 without doubt. Okay guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want me to try out any other product, do comment down below because I am a huge skincare and makeup fanatic. So I will go ahead and buy it and give you guys a review. There's no issue. You guys just need to comment down below and let me know if you guys need a part 2. Let me know what your favorite product from Nykaa is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Love you guys.